is design thinking based DC power supply concept. Okay. So what are the 5 stages in the design thinking? The first part is empathize, right? So empathize means to understanding the user needs, right? So what are the needs for DC power supply? So first one is reliable, correct? Second, without fluctuation, right? Next one, stability, stable, then more efficient. Okay, so these points are the empathy part, right? What are the define part? Define means a problem statement, right? So we collected 4 points from users, right? So we have to design DC power supply with based upon user needs, right? So my define part is to design a 5 volt DC power supply with stability and accuracy and efficient manner, right? So next part is our ideate part, right? So ideate part means what are the components we should use in DC power supply?
Rectifier, transformer.
So rectifier, transformer, capacitor and regulators.
One is our prototype model. So this is our prototype devices. This transformer, rectifier, filter and regulator. So this is our real-time application prototype. That is our charger. So in this charger, we just apply 230 volt as an input and we will get 5 volt output here. Right. So this is the user pain point. Already we discussed in empathy part. That is stable and without fluctuation and easy of cost, like that. So these are the pain point of users. So this adapter I designed for without fluctuation and a stable adapter, so that we will get 230 volt. We will put 230 in here, and by using this USB cable I will get a 5 volt output here. Okay, so let us discuss a working principle of this DC power supply. So here I applied input as AC voltage, right? So AC voltage means here 230 volt or 240. Okay, so this is the AC output, this full wave. Okay, positive and negative sign of AC signal, so voltage and 0. So this signal is given to the transformer. So this is step down transformer. What is the meaning of step down means? A transformer is consisting of 2 types. One is step up transformer and step down transformer. So step up means a 230 volt will be increased. So step down means a 230 volt. One is a step down transformer. So it will give 090 and 15. So this why it will give these 2 type of output here. That is, the value of this signal is reduced by like this. Okay, so this signal is given to the rectifier circuit. A rectifier is normally convert AC signal to DC signal. So this is our input wave, right? We discussed in previous this for the device. So this signal is again rectified by this rectifier. So it will produce a negative clipped output, so that it will, already we discussed in previous class also, this full wave rectifier, right? So it will produce this positive wave and negative wave will be clipped. Clipped means that signal is a DC signal. That is, DC means single line. Okay, so here that signal is given to the filter. What is the purpose of filter means? It filter the value, like it remove the noise from the input signal. Okay, a filter is consisting of 4 types. That is low pass filter, high pass filter, band pass filter and band stop filter. Low pass filter means it allows a low signal only and stops high frequency signals. And high pass filter means it allows high frequency signal and it stops low frequency signal. Band pass means it will allow a particular band signal and stops other signals. These signals it will be stopped. In band stop means it will stop this particular band of signal and allow the remaining signal. Okay, so this is the filter. So based upon application, we will use here a low pass filter because it will neglect and stop the high frequency signal and it will produce the low frequency signal to the regulator. So this already we discussed, that is in Ideate part and problem statement. We will design a 5 volt DC power supply with user needs and without fluctuation, right? So in this regulator, I have here used 7805 or 7. The regulator is also classified into 2 types. It is 78, the value 1, and 79. So 78 indicating positive signal and 79 indicating negative signal. So here I used 7805 is a positive IC, that's LM78. LM7805 is the IC name for this regulator. So a regulator works like it will produce only constant output. Like I used 7805 means it will give a 5 voltage output only. If it is I used 7812 means it will give 12 volt output. Okay. So in this circuit I designed 5 volt DC power supply. So that 7805 IC I will use here. So that this regulator will produce 5 volt output here. That voltage is given to this load. So that already the adapter like already we see. So that 5 volt will be get it out from our regulator. So this is the concept of DC power supply. Thank you.